right. Hi, y'all. So, really quick, today is February the 2nd of 2022. And I just wanted to do a quick video talking about my YouTube income between 2020 and 2021. So, you guys see here, I made $2,322 for 2020. And then for this past year, for 2021, I made $1,802. And I think it was like 21 cents. I just did the whole dollars. So there was a difference of $520. Now, if you don't know, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all are seeing it and seeing that I'm staying true to what I mentioned, that I'm not going to be uploading daily. Now, I have not forgotten about y'all. I miss y'all so much. Y'all, you ever know this is like, you're back in the day was like, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. That's how I feel, y'all. That's how I feel. But I have to update y'all on life, y'all. I have to update y'all on life. But I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I got a job for right now. No, we will talk about it. I promise. I promise. I'm just trying to wait until all of my emotions are not in play. I'm laughing, but y'all, woo wee. Oh, am I frustrated? I'm so frustrated, so fed up. But it's okay. It's okay. So that's for YouTube income. Now for this year, for 2022, I doubt if I'll get up to $600. You never know. I know for January, I made $50 so far. And for YouTube, you have to even get paid out, you have to make at least at least $100, the threshold. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, but I'm not looking for any income for YouTube this year. I'm just being serious, okay? I'm not on YouTube to make money. That's never been my goal. It's nice to have money coming in, but that's not my goal. Y'all know I'm keeping my finances very, very simple this year. With that being said, in my most recent video, my January closeout video, I mentioned to you guys I'm very close to submitting my tax return for 2021. So down here, I will be sharing that information with you, okay? Now let me say something. With 2021, oh my goodness, I had like 2 or 3 more W-2s that I needed to file. I had one for Lowe's. Even though I worked at Lowe's for like 2-3 days, or was it 2 days? I think it was 3 days. I think 2 days in training, and then the other day was me doing hands-on, and then I left. Yeah, I got those videos up there, y'all. I think it was like 2 or 3 days at Lowe's. So I had a thing for that. My new job, I had I had a W-2 for that one, just for the 1 day of pay. Was it 1 day of pay? Or was it for the 2? No. Yeah, it was for the 1 day of pay. Like $100 and something dollars. Oh my goodness. And then I had like, I picked up like 2 shifts at Snag a Job. So I had a W-2 for that. And then I had my full-time job that I previously had. And then Amazon and Kohl's. Oh my goodness. So it was just a lot of waiting. Not a lot of waiting, because you figure most of the times you do get all of your tax papers. And I usually get all of mine electronically. So I can usually get that by the middle of January. But companies have to send those out by January 31st. So that's why I'm gonna wait until the end. I'm gonna wait until Friday, just to make sure I don't have anything else coming in. But I had a checklist, and I'm pretty sure I have everything. The one thing I was not expecting was a 1099K. which is from PayPal. So if you got at least $600 in from PayPal, you have to report that. So you guys know back in 2021, I was doing a lot of product reviews. You know, like there was like a lot of Chinese companies asking me to do product reviews for their merchandise on Amazon. And what I would do is buy it by myself, do my review, and then they reimburse me via PayPal. So y'all, there was like, out of like my 1099K, there was like 700 and something dollars worth of money that I had to report. It was just like, I don't know, y'all. And then like me getting reimbursements from like Get Upside, like the reimbursement apps, those counted as payments from like Ibotta and stuff. So let me know if y'all use like any type of Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. Did you get a 1099K? If you didn't, that means that it probably wasn't considered business. But I was just like, so like, are you serious? I'm gonna get a 1099K. But for the most part, I was able to write off the expenses of me purchasing the products to review. So it really didn't affect my taxes that much, but I still put it on my tax form. But I thought I would share that with y'all because I felt like what PayPal reported from like Get Upside and Ibotta and like all of those rebate apps, if you got like reimbursement back to or cashed out via PayPal, it counted as income. So, I mean, can you just imagine? Hold on, I'm sorry, y'all. Can you just imagine if you're a bigger like channel and a lot of people are using your referral links and you're getting money that way and you get at least $600 worth? Now you got to report that as income. It depends on how you cash out. Now, if you cash out with gift cards, obviously that's going to be different. But I want my money back via PayPal. So, yeah. Anyways, on to my 2021 income tax refund. So, with everything that I have submitted, I have not clicked on the submit button, but everything I have inputted, my federal refund tax refund will be $5,646. State will be $742. So that will come out to be $6,388. There will be $46 for filing costs. So that will bring me to a total of $6,342, which is good. I was guessing it to be, I know I mentioned it to you guys that my refund should be around 6,000. I think I told you guys that sometime last year that it should be around $6,000, and sure enough. Now I'm not going to be splurging or anything like that. My first I can't say full, but my first real part-time paycheck will be coming in like on March 1st. And I'm hoping that the paycheck is around $700. I hope to bring home after taxes and things like that at least $700 per paycheck. So I would like to have from income from my part-time job at least $1,400 for the month after taxes. If it's a little bit less, if it's like $1,200 for the month, that will still at least cover most of my fixed expenses. This amount I only basically want to use for my variable expenses, which is around $300 per month, or it could be less, but I would say around $300 per month. So if that's the case, 300 times 10 the rest of the year after like starting in March. So starting in March through December, that's 10 months. So 300 times 10, that's $3,000. So we should still be able to save up some money for by the end of this year, y'all. So we shall see. I don't know how that will work. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. As I mentioned, I will file probably either Friday or sometime next week, just to make sure there's no twinkling or like, delayed mail. But I really think I have everything. I just want to be on the safe side. I don't want to have to do not an what is it called when you have to refix your tax return? An amendment. I don't want to do an amendment. So, and I like to file my tax refund as soon as possible. I always like to file it as soon as possible, but it more important for me to do it early is because like 2 or 3 years ago, the federal IRS let me know that somebody tried to file a tax return, but they already knew that I filed mine. So there was somebody trying to, pretend to be me and file a tax refund. So if you get the heads up, if you file your tax return first and then the fraudster files after you, and it's like, somebody already filed. So I like to do it as soon as possible. I don't like to lag around. Yeah, everybody likes the money, but that's another reason for me wanting to file as soon as possible. But I just want to make sure I have all my paperwork, all my ducks in a row before I submit. But yeah, this is the numbers. If anything changes, I will update y'all, but I doubt that it will. But yeah, let me know. Do you guys have any plans for your tax refund? I don't have any fun plans. Just being able to, work part-time and not be stressed out about finances. We still have over 16,000 in savings. So that's a really good thing. I have not touched my savings again since last year. So very, very happy about that. And I'm hoping I don't have to touch it at all. So, if anything comes up, we'll hopefully have a couple $1,000s left over to roll into next year or so forth. Because I would like to be part-time until, let's see. I know I want to do it for this year and hopefully probably into the following year. So like 1 or 2 years part-time, and then I'll go back full-time. I know I probably can't stay part-time forever, but you never know. You never know. But yeah, that's everything I wanted to share with y'all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm telling y'all, we will talk soon, okay? All right, bye.